So my YouTube friends, let's come and see what is the most popular used things in this era of pandemic. One is mask and two is tissue paper. And today I am going to unpack a box of dry tissue paper that will be used very easily. Let's come and see. The tissue paper is cheap enough to use and throw. So I am going to unpack the box and scissor it at first. I am going to scissor it. Yes, it is scissored already. And now I am going to unpack the box. See, it is from Amazon and Amazon owned Rent Solemo. See, here 2 ply and 200 pieces, and the tissues is here. See all the sides, and from here I am going to cut this. Just tick and just tear it like this, like this, like this. And here is the tissue. See, the tissues are here, and I am going to see how to. So here is a plastic. I am going to use the plastic. So this is a plastic. I am going to take the plastic from all the sides at first. Actually, I am going to show you how to unpack the box and how to prepare it for use. See, I am going to unpack it like this and this from this side, the total side, the rest here and here. It is totally cut. See, the pack is open, and now finally the tissue, and I am just pulling it. See, I am pulling the first tissue and second is already here, and then second tissue, the third is already here. See, one by one how they are come, and here like this. So friend, here it is, and